Solar street sign. Discover the future of streets with solar street signs. In a world where sustainability and efficiency are key, solar street signs lead the road to a more brilliant and cleaner future. Imagine a road signage system that not only guides you to your destiny, but take advantage of the solar energy to make it sustainably and respectfully with environment.
With our solar street signs, each street, avenue, and intersection is lighted by sun energy. This provides more than a clear and knitted lighting during night, but guarantees optimal visibility even in adverse climate conditions.
Why we should choose our solar street signs. First, sustainability. Let's reduce our carbon footprint and help to preserve the planet, using solar and renewable energy to light our streets.
Second, energy efficiency. With an intelligent design and avant-garde technology, our solar street signs maximize the energy efficiency, providing a reliable lighting without increasing energy costs.
Third, security. A correct lighting is essential for road security. With our solar street signs, we guarantee an optimal visibility always, reducing the risk of accidents and improving security for all the users in city.
And finally, 4. Innovation. We are committed with continuous innovation. Our solar street signs are designed to be durable, reliable, and adaptable to changing needs of our cities in constant evolution.
Join us in the road to a more sustainable and safer future. Discover the power of solar energy in every corner with our solar street signs. Solar Street Sign 9040, an elegant touch that transforms your environment in a luminous paradise. Like a flower that spreads its beauty in your garden, this piece not only embellishes, but lights warmly, adding serenity and timeless enchantment in every touched urban space.
Inclusive design with ample letters to see at long distance, perfect for users with low visibility.
This road signage device guarantees street signs are more clear, easy to read, and also comply with the NOM 034 SCT2/SEDATA 2022 standard established by the Secretariat of Mobility, SAMOVI. Saves up to 60% in installation, maintenance, and acquisitions costs of the signal compared to the old sheet signal.
The perfect duo is created with the Street Sign 9040, and the Postflex Duet has not commercial value in case of theft.
Stainless steel clamps with an easy-to-install strap buckle of 21 mm of width and steel clamp of 19 mm of width and 11.8 in of length. This incredible component is included in the cost. Non-deformable and resistant plastic. Integrated slots for an easy installation by one person. This feature transforms into a vandal-proof sign, optimizing mounting and ensuring its resistance to possible damages. As usual, Multi-Seal always at the forefront in traffic safety.